like I keep saying that they're cavity nesters, and what we're doing when we build nesting on here is we're bringing a cavity structure to them that's going to be more permanent. So what the farm can do is, if you come over here and see and back up, there's you can tell the owls have been using that hole, right? They're going in and out of it because there's an indentation around it. It's pretty simple. And then if you look down closer, there's feathers on it. Right? You see the feathers? It's more indication of owls. All the way down here, these are all owl feathers. And then underneath, you have the pellets. So these are all owl burps, regurgitations. And if you pull these apart, they have all rodent bones in them. So when you're on a hay farm looking for owls, you gotta look for all these stuff before you move the hay so you can get the babies out. If not, the equipment's just gonna crush them. So the work Moroni does is really important because he's moving the owls out. Instead of like, oh, here's these dead owls. I get 9 good healthy ones.